Is week 2 of the murder trial for the woman charged in the 2023 Rock Creek Parkway crash. It killed a Lyft driver and his passengers.
Yeah, Nakita Walker is accused of fleeing from police and crashing into the other car, killing all 3 men instantly. Our Rafael Sanchez Cruz has been following this case since 2023. And Rafa, today we heard from the experts who conducted the autopsies on the victims. What are we learning?
Yeah, Lorenzo, DC's chief medical examiner says that the 3 men who were inside that car died from the severe injuries caused by the crash. Now, Nakita Walker's attorney did point out that the Lyft driver, Mohammed Kamara, did have alcohol in his system when he died, but court documents show it was far below the legal limit. Today, data was presented that showed that Walker was driving 100 miles an hour, 5 seconds before the crash, and 72 miles an hour when she struck Kamara's car.
Was Nakita Walker under the influence the night she crashed into a car, killing 3 men on March 15th, 2023?
And we're also drinking too.
Who's drinking?
Yeah.
Drinking.
Today, prosecutors showed toxicology reports indicating that Walker had alcohol and cannabis in her system the night of the crash. The alcohol levels were above the legal .08 limit. A paramedic from that night telling the jury today Walker was excited and even laughing when she was getting treated in the ambulance following the crash. But Walker's attorney insists Walker's behavior could have been attributed to the injuries she suffered, including broken bones and head injuries. In video from a police officer's body-worn camera, you can see Walker laying on the ground after being pulled out of her SUV by a complete stranger who happened to drive up to the scene. That witness telling the jury today he did not think Walker was impaired, but she was in a lot of pain. Court documents indicate Walker had prior DUI cases, including 3 in the district. Those same court documents say Walker had 39 unpaid traffic tickets in D.C., totaling around $12,000. 38 of those tickets were for speeding.
Yeah, and as we've been mentioning now for the second week, this case prompting a lot of legislative changes here in D.C. because of this case. Now D.C.'s Attorney General can file civil lawsuits against drivers for pending tickets. And now they've also improved the communication between the court system and D.C.'s DMV. This way they can assure that licenses are revoked when a person is convicted of a DUI. I'll tell you, Zoe, Leslie, closing arguments on this case are expected to be on Thursday. Back to you.
There's so much tragedy in this case. We gotta hope that this never happens again.
Yeah, it breaks your heart knowing this was preventable.
It sure does.
Rafa, thank you.